Hey guys, so this is a sort of uncommon type of video, but we're on the home screen of my iPad because I figured out how to do something that you guys probably don't know how to do because you probably deleted it or don't know this. So recently Google actually disabled YouTube gaming, saying go to the YouTube app, there's a new section for it. They've been saying it for a long time, but they were gonna discontinue it. Well, let me show you something, guys. If you go into the app, you could still use it. Just watch and see what happens. There's my account, of course. See this? It's not gonna let you do anything, but watch what happens if you go into it and press search. I'll do like retro collector. And there you go. Just go into it right away and you have all the selection here. Look at all these good videos. Yeah, it does work. You just press on a video like, I don't know, this one. This was a long video. Just